I had a little bit of wheelbarrow situation here, so I didn't inflate the tire too much, and basically what had happened, just split into two the wheel. So it split in a way that it even ripped off the bolts from the other half. So you can see there are like hexagon holes here at the moment. Also the axle itself no longer working, so I need to fix that. Yeah, so first thing I need to do is basically remove the axle holder and just get it straight once again. It's not a big job to do, but yeah, sometimes it happens. And having working wheelbarrow is important for doing chores. So yeah, both removed. Basically just bending everything back into place, although my plant is quite small. I'll make it anyway. Yeah, it's more straight now, so I should do the same for the other one. Okay, that looks better. I think it should work. Now I need to fix the wheel itself, so I just need to remove whatever is left. It's quite easy to change, not like the car tire. Yeah, there is a huge hole, so I won't be able to fix that. I'll need to get a new one of those. But in overall, fixing the wheel shouldn't be that difficult. What I will do, I'll just put washers. So now I just need to remove all the bolts. Yeah, it's actually very funny. I did not expect it to happen like that. Who could thought? But yeah, basically what you do next, just to put this whole thing as a sandwich. Of course you need the inside piece as well, but I need to get a new one because that one is ripped apart. Place those one on top of other. So now to fix the holes, I'll need to use washers. Basically put washer and the bolt. Maybe I'll need smaller washers. I'll check if I have them. Actually, I don't even need extra washers because I have those old washers. And what I will do, I'll just reverse it. So basically, where the bolt heads were, I'll put the washer and the nut, and the bolt will go onto the other side. So yeah, just like that, and it will hold. Yeah, and now just do all 5 of them, and it should be it. Okay, so for the demonstration purposes and just measurement purposes, I think I'm good. So yeah, let's see if the axle actually fits. And technically this is how it should be sorted, although I still, as I mentioned, need to finish this. I got a new tube for my wheelbarrow, so now I just need to undo these two nuts to remove the axle, so then I can remove my wheel and change the tube. The wheel is split apart, two parts, so now I just need to insert a new tube and assemble everything back. Okay, so the wheel is on, it's inflated to 1 psi, sorry, to 1 bar, and yeah, ready to do the work. So thanks for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe, and I hope you will watch me next time.